Welcome to the Torpedo Factory. While it once played a role in sinking German U-boats, these days you are more likely to sink your cash into stunning works of art to take home. Opened in 1918, it was once an important production facility for torpedoes in World War I and World War II. Afterwards, it became a storage and warehouse facility where, amongst other things, items such as dinosaur fossils and Nuremberg Trial documents were held. In 1974, it was completely transformed into an art center and now houses the largest number of publicly accessible working artist spaces in the United States. In this series, we will wander around its 80 studios and galleries and take it all in. Along the way, we will step on a scale that was originally used to weigh torpedoes, peek through the window of the Alexandria Archeology Museum, and speaking of dinosaurs, take a selfie with a T-Rex named Gluey Louie. Although this will be a pretty chilled out experience, I have to say it anyway. Damn the torpedoes! Full speed ahead! Hello? And there is one more floor to go. They've got a tiny little archaeology museum up here, tucked into the corner. just have this feeling that somebody's gonna try to kick me out. Because everybody's locking up and leaving, and someone's gonna come over and be like, "Sir, we're closing now." Kind of guessing that it won't happen, but it might. Some great stuff here.
Thank you for visiting the Torpedo Factory Art Center today. The Art Center is now closed.
There it is. There's the announcement, the official announcement. There's no excuse now, no excuse. Uh-oh. There go the lights. It must be time to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Torpedo Factory Art Center. There's a lot of great stalls in there. Again, we didn't see too many artists at work, but we did get to see their stuff through the window, which is still very cool. And just walking through this place is just a cool thing to do. So again, hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Vigoroso, off to the next cool spot. Take care, guys.